I do a video of us in the car all the time, and now we have a baby. Well, yeah, we in Texas and it's raining. Hold on, let me give you a little. Where are we going, Chris?
El Rancho. Get our grub on.
We're about to have some Tex-Mex.
Nah, it's actually not Tex-Mex.
No?
No.
It's legit?
Yeah.
California Mexican, is it?
Yeah.
Well,
I
you know
think
that,
California.
but it's decent food.
Oh, yeah.
That's all that
And
matters.
there's no queso.
No what?
There's no queso.
No cheese?
Queso is just like a dip.
I don't like
Oh.
queso.
No queso. Right now, Dave, Ethan, all of them will be looking at
I
this.
know. Evan FaceTimed me yesterday.
Did he?
Him and Dave were by the pool having drinks.
Oh, yeah. That's right, Evan. Dave. Mason.
What up, Mason?
Hi, Nathan.
Yeah, Mason. He's always asking about you guys. Always.
Come to Texas
You hear that, Mason? She wants you to come to Texas.
one day.
But you need to understand that Mason's favorite artist is Bruno Mars.
What?
Oh, dude, you don't even
Bruno
know.
Mars is beast.
He is. You hear that, Mason? All right, we out of here, guys.
What up, Mason? Shout out, Mason.
Mason!
Bye, Nathan.